Hello friends, welcome. On October 13th, Apple announced 4 new iPhone models. In this video, I'm going to tell you what these phones are going to offer us and what features that is not available, so that it will give you an idea whether to go for new iPhone model or you should wait for next iPhone model. So let's get started. Before that, I have a small request. If you are watching my channel first time and if you haven't subscribed, please, one more time please, and one more time please subscribe my channel. And if you have any thoughts about this video, please materialize in the comment section and also share it with your friends. That would be an awesome act. My name is KDR and you are watching Tech Look KDR around the world. Okay, let me tell you what you are going to get in the box. In the box, you get one phone and one Type-C to Lightning USB cable and one SIM card ejector tool, some minimal documentation along with our famous Apple sticker. You are not going to get anything apart from this. No charger, no AirPods, and Apple says this is for protecting the environment. They want to limit the carbon emission, and that is good thing. But what about a person who wants to shift to the iPhone from the Android for the first time? They don't have a older iPhone chargers, so they have to buy with some extra money, and they're not offering AirPods as well. Earlier they used to offer AirPods, but now you have to purchase. That is an extra burden. And with this iPhone 12 series, they are not offering a 120Hz screen refresh rate as well. Yes, they shifted from old LCD to LED panel. Now they call it as a Super Retina XDR display, but 120Hz screen refresh rate would have been a great addition to the iPhone 12 series. Okay, now let me tell you what are the common components in all 4 models. First, you are going to get, as I said, the Super Retina XDR display, which is common, and because of this technology, you are going to get 2:1 contrast ratio, which will give you true black colors. That means your pictures or videos or games going to look stunning, outstanding. Speaking of display, they are protected with a ceramic shield, and Apple says it now has a 4x drop resistance, which is great. So you are covered with your accidental drops from the pocket or hand. And they offer water resistance as well, IP68 6 meters. They also offer wireless charging, which is great. And with MagSafe, you don't have to worry about placing the phone exactly to point this magnetic coil, right? Because of the magnetic thing, it is going to point always in the exact position, so that you get perfect charging every time. That is one good addition. Speaking of which, common points, they offer you 5G. Yeah, 5G is great, but we have to think. Many countries not ready yet. Maybe in our country, not ready yet. Maybe by next year, I think we're going to get the 5G support, and whenever 5G is available, this device is ready to accept 5G. So you are covered. And next common point is selfie cameras, 12 megapixel selfie cameras, and one 12 megapixel wide camera across all 4 models. Okay, and the other common point is processor, A14 Bionic chip, which is common. No matter which model you choose, you get the same type of performance from the processor. Let me tell you something about this processor. It is now built on a 5 nm processor technology, which is the first in the industry, they says. And because of the 5 nm process technology, they were able to include more transistors, like 11.8 billion transistors in that small chip. It has now a 6-core CPU. Out of 6 cores, 2 cores are high performance and 4 cores are high efficient cores. And it also offers you a 4-core GPU for your gaming stuff. It has now 16 cores of neural engine, which is capable of 11 trillion operations per second, which is very, very massive. Okay. And it has a machine learning capability as well. Enough of A14 Bionic chip. Let me tell you iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini comes in 5 colors, which is black, white, red, green and blue color. I like the blue color most. And the body is made with aluminum frame. They offer you a 6.1 inch for iPhone 12 and 5.4 inch screen for iPhone 12 mini. Even though iPhone 12 mini offers a 5.4 inch screen, it looks smaller than older iPhone 8 because of the compact design. Also, iPhone 12 looks smaller than iPhone 11, as I said, because of the compact design. They offer you 2 cameras at the back side. One is a 12 megapixel wide camera with 7 element construction, and it now offers you optical image stabilization as well. The other one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with 120 degrees field view. That is great. Take a look at this slide. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini is going to offer you these features. Okay, let me tell you something about Pro models, iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max comes in 4 colors, which is silver, graphite, gold and stunning blue color. I like the gold and blue colors. Its body made with surgical grade stainless steel and back glass. They now offers 3 cameras at the back side. The other one camera is a telephoto camera. In 12 Pro, this telephoto camera offers you a 4x optical zoom and 52 mm sensor. But in 12 Pro Max, they offer you 65 mm camera sensor in the telephoto lens, and they offer you the camera sensor shift technology, which is like you get it in the DSLR cameras. What it does is it nullifies the vibration around you, and it will try to capture a very stable image. And one more thing I would like to tell you, they offer you LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. It measures the time that how long the light is reaching the object and reflects back, so that it can prepare an image. It will help you in taking photos or videos in very low light, as well as it will help you autofocus your subject during night photography, so that your night videos looks stunning like this. Look at this 4K video shot by iPhone. Lot of details has been captured in each and every frame. Now you have your iPhone to make movies like this, and I think you don't need an expensive camera to shoot movies. take a look at this slide. iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to offer you all these features. So iPhone 12 and 12 mini comes in three different sizes, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB, and the price for iPhone 12 mini starts at 69,900 and all the way goes up to 94,900 for iPhone 12 with 128GB capacity plus charger and AirPods extra, whereas iPhone 12 Pro and Max comes in three different sizes as well, 128GB, 256GB and 512GB, and the price starts for iPhone 12 Pro at 1,19,900 and goes all the way up to 1,59,900. And if you don't have as I said, charger or AirPods, that will be some extra bucks. So let me give you my thoughts about this phone. Overall, this iPhone is an incredible device, no doubt about it, but because of missing some little things like chargers or AirPods, at least they should have included AirPods with the 12 Pro and Pro Max models. That would have been given some satisfaction to the Apple lovers like me, at least. So I don't think even iPhone 11 users are going to shift immediately because of the 5G thing and some enhancements. They will definitely wait for iPhone 13. But iPhone 10 or iPhone 9 users might try to shift to the new iPhone. Let's see how it goes. But the first wave of pre-booking sales is already closed when I checked it in the website. Maybe you can book it on October 30th next time. So that's the iPhone craze. So thank you for watching till the end. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe once again and leave your valuable comments about this video. That would be helpful in getting more quality content. And stay safe with mask. Thank you.